Welcome to this AI writer demo where I'm going to be demoing the software called Jasper. They can help you with long form content, marketing, social media, blog post, you name it, advertising, email. They do a lot of things, which I'm going to show you. And they also come with a free trial. If you'd like to follow along, I will put that link down below. It also comes with a very nice bonus, which you'll have to see for yourself. Let's get started. So aside from the fact that they come with about 55 templates, they also have the long form assistant if you get the boss mode version. As it says, let Jasper help you write long form articles and more from start to finish. So let's get started with this and we'll write an article and I'll show you this AI writer demo. So this is going to be about why golf is one of the best sports. I love golf. I live in Florida. I haven't played lately, but I played a lot in my life. So that's the reason for using this example. What I want to do first, starting off, we need to come out with an outline. So let's do that. Let's tell Jasper what to do. Write an outline for why golf is one of the best sports. What I'm going to do here is hold Control and hit Enter, and it should come up with a very nice outline for us. Okay, so it cut off there. Let's just add a little bit more. Okay, so there's a lot of them. We probably don't need that many. Let's just get rid of these, okay? It can be played by anyone. It's low impact activity. Often find they have more time to socialize. There are many different types of golf courses available, so all skill levels can accommodate. That's kind of similar to another one, so I'm just going to get rid of that for this example. Perfect. So here's our outline. What I want to do is put the title here. Now, we need an introduction, right? So write an introduction about, once again, why golf is one of the best sports. So I'm going to copy this in case I want to get something else. Maybe the intro could be good that they create, but maybe I want a little bit better. I'm going to make it longer and Control and Enter. Okay, period. Not too bad, aside from the space here. I'll quickly go through this. Golf is seen as many as an outdated and boring game, a sport for old men who have nothing better to do with their time than play a leisurely round of 18 holes on a Sunday afternoon. But in truth, there are many benefits to this seemingly slow-paced sport that make it one of the most interesting games around. Golf is one of those sports where people can spend hours outside in nature while still having fun and challenging themselves mentally and physically at the same time. And since the only equipment you need to play golf is clubs and balls, it's easy enough for anyone to get started right away. So if you're looking for something different from your usual routine, try giving golf a shot sometime. Let's add a little bit more. Here are a few reasons as to why golf is one of the best sports. Just like segue into it. So these are going to be subheadlines. Let's make this our H2. We know this is our title. And let's go from there. So write more about why golf is a sport that can be played by anyone. I'm going to change the title here just so Jasper has an idea of where I'm coming from. And once again, I'm going to highlight this just in case I want to get different results. I can just, re-put it in there. So what I'm going to do is Control and Enter. There we go. I just moved it down a little. Good amount of text there. I'm going to put this here. This is just going to be our header, so we know that goes there. Normally that'd be capitalized, but I'm not going to go through like the nitty-gritty stuff. Golf is a great sport for people of all ages and abilities. It's a great way to get outside and enjoy nature, and it can be as challenging or as easy as you want it to be. You can spend hours playing golf without getting bored. It's a very social sport that can be enjoyed with friends or family. Golf is also one of the most affordable sports around. I don't know about that, okay? That's opinionated, but anyway, and you don't need a lot of equipment to get started. Okay, so if you're looking to try that, this was actually, they repeated that, so I'm going to remove that. That's fine. You do got to fact check it. It's not going to be 100% perfect, but it can be pretty damn good. Write more about golf being a low. There we go. So what I want to do, I'm going to copy this. This is going to be like our next headline, and let's write more. Let's put our headline back there. I put gold. Wow, I'm glad Jasper knows what I'm talking about. Golf is, there we go. This is a good benefit. H3. So golf is a low impact activity, making it great for people with joint pain. Have that as our headline. This means that golfing is much less likely to cause injuries or pain in the joints, making it safer and more comfortable option than other sports. Golf is also a great way to improve your overall fitness level as it requires a lot of stamina and strength. And because golf can be enjoyed by people of all ages and abilities, I like that. It confirms that from the previous paragraph. It's the perfect sport for anyone looking for a fun and challenging way to stay active. Okay. I'm just going to do one more. Let's do this one. I think you get the idea. It's more of repeating the process. Write more about how golf is a great way to get some exercise while enjoying the outdoors. Once again, let's generate that content. And this is our headline. Not only does golf require a lot of stamina and strength, but it also helps improve your overall fitness level. And since golf can be enjoyed by people of all ages and abilities, it's the perfect sport for anyone looking to have a fun and challenging way to stay active. Golf is also a low impact activity, making it great for people with joint pain. Okay, so after we have paragraphs, what we need to do is add a conclusion. Okay, let's see. Write a conclusion paragraph. Oops. About how, let's do this, or about why golf is one of the best sports. Put this in our title. And let's do it. Okay, golf is a great sport for people of all ages and abilities. It's a great way to get outside and enjoy nature, and it can be challenging or as easy as you want it to be. That's a good recap of what we talked about. You can spend hours playing golf without getting bored, and it's a very social sport that can be enjoyed by friends or family. Golf is also one of the most affordable sports around, and you don't need a lot of equipment to get started. It's low impact, making it great for people with joint pain. So if you're looking for something different from your usual routine, try giving golf a shot sometime. Overall, not bad. There's a little bit of repetition in there, I understand, because it will go through and see what you've written before. I guess you could say repetition is good here because it's kind of recapping everything, like this would be conclusion or final words, what we learned, that type of thing where it's good to have in the end. A lot of this, like there's some that was kind of similar, like it repeated something that said before. It's more so like giving you an idea about how this works. Like you could always just go in there and edit it yourself or change it around. I wanted to make sure you got a good idea of how this works. And it didn't take too long to generate 545 words at the top right, as you can see. Normally, you'd probably want to write a little bit more, but that's just a quick run when it comes to using this AI writer software. I hope you got a lot out of this. It's a lot of fun to utilize. Plus, Jasper comes with a lot of these templates where you don't really need to worry about the long form assistant all the time, especially if you're looking for copywriting related stuff, websites and blogs. Maybe you want to run ads, e-commerce, social media. I love the video ones. You can even create video scripts, which I'll have a video about as well. There's a lot you can do with it. And that's about it. That concludes the video. Be sure to check out the link down below. You get a free trial and a very nice bonus where you can test a lot of this out and make sure it's going to be perfect for you. Any questions, leave a comment down below. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.